Today's video is a continuation of yesterday's drawing of Shinboku, the sacred tree. As I walk with my hands, I'll quietly hold Shide, using Japanese washi paper for calligraphy. Shide are paper streamers, often placed alongside shimenawa to mark a kekkai, a boundary that quietly separates the sacred from the ordinary. The Japanese understanding of gods, known as kami, is rooted in animism, a worldview in which spiritual presence exists in all things, including nature, animals, objects, and human life. These beliefs are very ancient, dating back to prehistoric Japan, long before written history, at least over 2,000 years ago, and likely much earlier during the Jomon period, from around circa 14,000 to 300 before Common Era. At that time, people lived closely with nature and developed a deep respect for natural forces such as mountains, forests, rivers, and the sun. Over time, these animistic beliefs became what is now called Shinto. However, many Japanese people do not think of Shinto as a religion in the Western sense. Shinto has no single founder, no sacred scripture, and no strict doctrines. Instead, it is often understood as a way of life, a set of cultural practices, or a shared sensibility rooted in everyday customs and seasonal rituals. In Shinto, there is no single absolute god. Instead, there are countless kami, each connected to a specific place, natural phenomenon, ancestor, or aspect of daily life. Kami are not morally absolute beings. They have human-like qualities and represent both creative and destructive forces of nature. People show respect to kami at Shinto shrines through rituals of purification, prayer, and gratitude. These practices emphasize harmony with nature, respect for ancestors, and an awareness of the sacred within ordinary life. This ancient animistic worldview continues to shape Japanese culture today, influencing attitudes toward nature, community, aesthetics, and daily behavior, even among people who don't consider themselves religious. come to think of it, I've never thought of myself as religious, and yet in my daily life, I've often acted according to Shinto beliefs. When I was a child, I was told that everything has life, even a desk, and that I shouldn't treat it carelessly. Thank you for listening.